This is a review of handheld thermal camera. These are some of the specifications and features. Let's go ahead and open the box and see. Here is the user manual. Here is the lanyard. And this is for the data transfer, USB-A to USB-C. And here is the thermal camera. This is the LCD screen. You can take a picture or record a video from here. Let's go ahead and check it out. Here is the area for type C. This is for the data transfer right there. This is the laser pointer and LED lights, infrared thermal lens, photo trigger right there, lanyard port. Let's check the buttons over here. Home and OK button, then back, you turn it on and off, directions, and this is the album. This is the custom button. Let's put the lanyard right there. I'm just gonna pass it through, and then we're gonna take this one right there. And you can adjust it from here. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Press and hold. It's gonna turn on. For example, my hand's right there. Whenever you press right over here, short press, it's gonna take a picture. Whenever you press one more time, it's gonna save. Now it is saved. You can check it out here. If you're gonna record a video, you're just gonna press and hold, and you're gonna see at the top, you see right now, it started. Whenever you release it, like that, it's gonna save. Now saved. Let's check the menu. When you press one time, you're gonna see the level 1 menu. One more time, level 2 menu. You can change it from here. Let's go ahead and check one by one. There is none. When you go to the next one, you're gonna go to center point, and whatever it's over there in the center, it's just gonna tell you. Right now it is 34.9 Celsius degrees. And let's go to hotspot. Now it is finding the hotspot at the same time center point. Let's go to the next one, and it's gonna find the cold spot. This area right there is the cold spot, and right side it is the hot spot, and the center it is just giving you 35. The hot spot is 36, the center is 35, the cold spot is 27.3 Celsius degrees. Let's continue. And this is also zone. You can adjust the zone however you like, and you can edit the zone. And it's just gonna find the center one and hot point and low point inside the zone. Let's go back. Let's go to the menu again, and we can go back to none. And okay, we can go back to the level 1 menu. Okay, let's continue with the image mode. This is thermal. The first one is thermal. That's basically thermal imaging, full frame temperature measurement, support to view any points temperature of the screen. This area around my hand, as you can see, that's the thermal area. Let's check the image mode. And the first one is thermal. You see, it's right there. Wherever the hotness is, it's just showing over there. Let's go to visible. Right now, this is visible mode, and color palette right there. You can change the color. I'm gonna change the image mode. First one is thermal mode, and second one is visible. Outline vision. It's just outlining. Overlay vision. You see now it's overlaying. it is just showing all the temperature level right there on the right side. Image mode and picture in picture. Now it is just showing the center, if there is any warm area, and fusion adjustment on the left side you can see, and offset adjustment. We are done with this menu. You can go back in image mode. Right now there is color, palette, iron, white hot, black hot, rainbow, high contrast, red hot, arctic. Let's see, I'm just gonna press right over here and you can see all the remnants. And lava mode, coldest, those areas the coldest. Thermal, you can adjust smooth, normal, or high contrast. Saturation, you can adjust low saturation or high saturation. Laser, we have the laser right there. Right now it's on. Wherever you're holding it, it's just gonna tell you the temperature of the area right there. Right now it is 27 Celsius degrees. I'm gonna continue with thermal mode. Color is gonna be iron. I enabled the laser. Wherever you're pointing, it's just gonna tell you the temperature right there. What about flashlight? Now you have the flashlight at the same time laser. And settings, let's go to settings. Language, emissivity, types of view, unit. We can change it to Fahrenheit from Celsius. Temperature compensation, temperature range, custom buttons. If you want to do the custom buttons, you can do it. Like you can assign whatever you want right here. P button. Let's see. Calibrate, switch. These are the options. Maybe laser. Yep. And more. Let's go ahead and check the more. Here's the date, storage. Let's check the storage. Right now we have 8 gigabytes storage. Available is 5.92 gigabyte. Alarm, there is alarm. Upper threshold and lower threshold. 302 Fahrenheit degrees, that's the top. And lower is minus 4.9 Fahrenheit. It's just gonna let you know. Auto power off, distance units. Let's go ahead and change it to feet. Temperature, brightness, restore factory, and check for upgrades. And here is the last thing, album. You can check all the pictures and videos that you took before. It shows all the temperatures. How about the video? Let's try to play. If you want to play it, you're just gonna press the trigger button. You can directly use the direction buttons if you want to change the color palette, right or left directly. You don't need to go to the menu. Or if you want to change the image mode, you can use this. Here is the power of the LED light. Let's see. I can see everything. Since I just got up from here, it is still hot. You see, that's 29 Celsius degrees. This is 30 Celsius degrees. I'm gonna test it right over here. Now the alarm is already on. It's more than 160 degrees. It's about 218. Turn it off. Right now it is around 100 degrees. How about the lowest? So it is giving an alarm, as you can see right there. Now this is thermal imaging, but I can change it to regular image. You see, right now I can even see what's the temperature. It's about 32. Everyone knows from science, warm air rises, cold air sinks. How about the house? You see, higher places always hot. You see. What about here? The floor? Oh, these are my footprints. That's very strange. You see? When we check the quality of the picture and the video, that's also awesome. There is no lagging or anything. Take a picture, save, take a video. Right now, start recording. Let's check the video recording. Here we go. I really like the quality. It is just telling you the temperature wherever you're holding. I can definitely suggest this product. It's because it has a laser and there is thermal lens, and we have a great quality of the camera right there. You can either take a picture or record a video. You can change the image mode, at the same time color palette. Basically you can see what's going on around you, like if the temperature is increasing or decreasing. You can put an alarm. If it is higher or lower, then it's gonna alarm. This is very compact, small. You can take it wherever you want. Since it has LED lights and laser, it's basically you can point anywhere you want, even it is in the dark. You can just see it from here or thermal lens. How about changing? You see? Oh, I am very handsome. Definitely suggest this product.